Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss today what is an IP address and where we can find it. And IP address is an internet protocol address through which we can like our devices communicates with our other devices, as well as we can send a request from our computer to any server. So let's see how you can find your IP address. In order to find your IP address, first of all, open the run window by pressing the Windows key and R and type there CMD, which is command prompt. You will have to open the command prompt for that. And after typing that CMD, press OK. And you can see the command prompt is opened up. So in order to get the IP address, just type there a command IPCONFIG, which is ipconfig. You can see here, and press enter. It will give you, if you have connected your laptop or the computer to the wireless, then it will come up in the wireless LAN, or if you are using Ethernet cable, it will come up in the local area connection, which is Ethernet cable. Here you can see on the top. But as I'm using the Wi-Fi, so it's coming up here is Wi-Fi LAN adapter. So you can see this is IPv4, which is IP version 4 address 192.168.1.21. This is particular IP address is assigned to my device, and the default gateway, as you can see, 192.168.1.1. So that means I can use the range of the same IP address for the other device. Suppose if I have any other laptop or computer, I can use 192.168.1.5, 10, 21, depends, but it should be in the same range. So this is the way how you can find your IP address. Make sure just open the run command, type cmd, and open the command prompt and type there ipconfig and press enter. You will get your complete information. So this is the information here, and yes, one more time, let me explain you. IP address is an internet protocol address which used for the TCP, which is the transfer control protocol. That means whatever the communication is going in your device, either on the internet or through or with any other laptop or computer, all of them are through the same IP address. You can also say this is your digital address of your device. In the same way you have a physical address, this is the digital address of your device on the internet, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and get the latest updates. Thank you so much.